loves, today I'm doing a video on barrel twist. I'm gonna do a half up half down style. I'm not sure how it's gonna all the way come out, but in the description, well, in the title, y'all see how it is. And if I didn't say, my name is Mahalia Jeannie. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe and comment and just enjoy the video. So this video, I will be talking throughout the video because, hold on, if you hear something in the back, it's my mom on the phone. But I will be talking throughout this video because I'm tired of doing voiceovers. I did voiceovers for the last 2 videos and that's a lot of work. So y'all gonna hear me talk throughout this video. It's gonna be a live video. I'm gonna speed some parts up. But either way, yeah. First off, I use this to put on my hair. This is Sulfur 8, the light formula. Okay, keep in mind that my hair is freshly retwisted. This is like a 2-day retwist. I did it about 2 days ago and I just let my hair breathe because it was hurting. I let my hair breathe a little bit. I did them really tight. I should never did that tight, but I let my hair breathe a little bit and then I did the style. You can do it the same day. I chose not to because I let my hair air dry. It really doesn't matter. You can do it on the same day, but I just didn't. But yeah, I'd rather you do it on a retwist. Make sure your hair is nice because you'll be able to like to see the parts and see how your hair is looking, you know? Anyway, so you're gonna grab one, you're gonna twist it. Make sure you're always twisting your hair because you don't want it to unravel and look crazy, but always twist in the direction it goes. So I'm twisting whatever this way is. I'm twisting this way and it goes in that direction. So when you twist them together, hold on, let me make sure y'all can see this. When you twist them together, you want to twist it a few times and leave it. That's how you do it, okay? You want to get the next one. I'm gonna do the one on this side. Well, you can do whichever hand is your dominant hand, but I'm gonna get the one on this side. So you get this one and you twist it around. You wrap it, make sure you wrap it all the way around, and then you add it to this one. And we're gonna keep doing that all the way down. Just do it all the way around. Keep in mind, you can also use rubber bands. So if your hair is short, mine is not too short, but I'm gonna use rubber bands so I can show y'all. If your hair is short, go ahead and take some rubber bands. Y'all can see the thing I got, some rubber bands, and put it around the base of your hair where your hair gets short at. So you're gonna put it right here. Just gonna wrap that rubber band around, and it's black, so you can't see the rubber band anyway, but you're probably gonna be wrapping around that part anyway, so you're not gonna be able to see it. So that's all you do. You just keep going down. Make sure you're wrapping it as you go. This is how it looks. It's not the best, y'all. This is my first time doing it, but that's one of them. So what I should have told you is that I part them out. So I don't know if you can see that bobby pin back there, but I part how much I want to put in it out. So this how much I want to put in it. I already did this side. Like a little thing, and it's cute or whatever. But I'm gonna continue doing it so I can show y'all the rest. Okay, so I went off camera to do this one because it was being weird. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this one on this side. It's so cute, y'all. It's like a little messy little bun. It's so cute. Hey y'all, so I did go ahead and put my hair up into two little buns because I didn't like how it looked down. You could keep it down, but this is how I chose to do my hair, and this is how it turned out. Sorry I didn't record it. Love y'all. See y'all later.